Hi Libra, welcome to your reading. This is Mystic Mercedes and let's take a look at your overall energy kung anong ganap sa inyo this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so first card you have the King of Wands in upright position. So this indicates a charismatic partner if it comes to your love life. Maybe you do have this type of person na a leader type, ganun, and very passionate about his feelings or his goals in life. Maybe you or the person that you are with have those energy and magaling siya or ikaw maging leader or maging isang business owner, ganun. And you or that person is a very uh, abundance when it comes to money and lapitin kayo ng success. Ganun. And you do have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse position. So this indicates the charismatic, a karmic blocks. So you have this energy of a leader, you or the other person if we're talking about the love life, but merong pumipigil sa inyo para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo in life. Merong mga hadlang, ganun. Siguro, you have a family member na ayaw sa relationship mo, ganun. And you may have missed chances when it comes to your careers. Siguro meron mga offers sa inyo na hindi nyo natanggap or parang nabaliwala nyo. And you are thinking na what if tinanggap ko ang job na ito, hindi na ako makapag-start ng business, ganun, parang ganun. Siguro kulang lang kayo sa time management. You have the ability to be a leader, but you do have blockage, merong humaharang sa inyo, merong emotional, emotional blockage or parang person blockage, ganun. If it comes to Wheel of Fortune, kasi naka-reverse card siya. Hadlang, ganun. And at the end of July, you have the Queen of Wands in upright position. So, you may feel confident with your love life. Although you feel na you miss those opportunities, but you feel secured when it comes to your money and finances. And you have those people around you na nagsusuporta sa inyo throughout your life, throughout your decision, ganun. And you have this confidence that you can do those things na gusto mong gawin, like mag-build ng business, even though may mga humaharang sa inyo, even though may mga missed opportunity kayo, missed chances, you feel secured at parang hindi kayo nababother because you know to yourself na you can do that also. And you are assuring yourself na kaya ko rin gawin kung ano yung mga kaya nila. Ganyan. And Libra, I have here the Mystic Forest Oracle cards to help you on your life situation. So, enjoy ang gabay na kay Libra this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay, Starlight. So, Libra, ang sabi dito, don't slow down manifestation through hesitation or worry. Keep the faith and create life in the dark. The path of the stars is made by the same energy. Ayan. Kita niyo, Libra, sabi, don't slow down manifestation through hesitation or worry. Ano yung mga hesitation or worry nyo? Ito yung mga blockage nyo. Kaya, meron tayong Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Sabi ko sa inyo, meron parang feelings yung siguro or mga tao na ayaw sa ibang desisyon nyo sa buhay, parang ganun. Hesitation or worry. Siguro sa inyong self, meron kayong mga worries na parang namimiss nyo yung mga opportunity because you are afraid to try something new. Maybe that's why. Maybe hindi pa kayo ready, kaya you do have this hesitation or worry. That's why we do have here the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, ang sabi dito, keep the faith daw. Magtiwala lang kayo sa inyong sarili and create light in the dark. The path of the stars is made by the same energy. So, ayun, ang ganda ng basa sa inyo, Libra. So, yung mga worries, yung hesitation, yung mga blockage nyo to reach this point of life na satisfying. And you have the talent because you have the King of Wands. You have the talent, but you are worried, you are afraid, you're hesitant, you have blockage in mga hadlang tao or financial siguro or kayo nakakaalam kung ano yung mga blockage na yun. But at the end of the day, you have the Queen of Wands, which indicates that maybe at the end of the day, you will try to be creative and be confident to yourself para mawala na yung worries nyo and hesitation to try new things. Okay, Libra, that's your reading. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.